Hello everyone, welcome once again to another full stack development related tutorial on Slidescope. This is not a tutorial but a comprehensive analysis and discussion about is learning full stack development with mean stack relevant in 2025. So out of the full stack development stacks, mean is one of the most popular stacks available. And first of all, what is mean stack? In mean stack, M stands for MongoDB, that is the NoSQL database. E stands for Express.js, that is your backend framework. A is Angular, which is front-end framework. So Angular is the only difference between mean and MERN stack, and N stands for Node.js, that is runtime environment for JavaScript. So in MERN stack also, M, E, and N are common. Obviously, React is replaced with Angular as a front-end framework in mean stack. And why it's a popular choice for full stack development? So the mean stack is a popular choice for full stack development because it has a unified language which is JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript is used throughout the stack, front end, back end, and database interactions, reducing the need to learn multiple programming languages. Developers can easily transition between front end and back end tasks. Scalability of mean stack is also high, and it supports real-time applications, making it suitable for business with growing needs. Example, SPAs, chat applications. We'll see many other applications later. It is open source and cost efficient. All components of mean stack are open source, reducing development cost. It has a large supportive community for troubleshooting and growth. We can use the JSON everywhere approach. So MongoDB stores data in JSON-like documents, and the stack seamlessly communicates using JSON, simplifying data transfer between layers. It has high performance. So Node.js with its event-driven non-blocking architecture ensures high performance and the ability to handle a large number of simultaneous connections. It also has a rich ecosystem. Availability of numerous libraries for tools like Angular, Node.js, and MongoDB speeds up the development. You can create future-ready applications. So, designed for modern web applications, Mean is ideal for building dynamic, responsive, and interactive web solutions. It has efficient development cycle. The unified code base and easy integration across components lead to faster development and deployment cycle. So if you need more elaboration on these points, you can comment in the comment section below. But this kind of explains what is mean stack. The need of full stack developers. As we understood, mean stack is one of the most popular development frameworks. We have growing demand for multi-skilled developers. So if you have one skill, then obviously that skill is relevant, but demand for multi-skilled developers is increasing who understand MongoDB, Express, Node, Angular, or React. So growing demand for multi-skilled developers and cost efficiency for startups and enterprises. Obviously, this will be more cost efficient for startups and enterprises, and it simplifies project management process. Here are some examples of popular apps built using Mean Stack. I will provide link to these articles in the description below. So some popular apps built using the Mean Stack are LinkedIn. So as per our latest analysis, this is the case. But obviously these are very popular apps, so their development changes. But in LinkedIn, the backend services for real-time messaging is there. And why mean? Node.js enables efficient handling of concurrent connections and real-time communication. In an app like PayPal, payment processing and user interfaces can be created with this stack. Node.js powers fast and scalable transactions, while Angular enhances the user experience. In something like Netflix, where real-time streaming and responsive web apps are created, Node.js helps manage high traffic loads and in asynchronous data flows. Obviously, learning Node.js is the most important thing. But here we are just discussing, if you are more familiar with Angular, then Bean Stack will be more suitable for you. In apps like Uber, where real-time booking, notification, and dynamic pricing are there, so Node.js ensures quick updates and efficient data exchange. So obviously in websites like Accenture, which is web-based enterprise solutions, the flexibility and scalability of Bean make it suitable for large-scale enterprise application. And obviously there are many more examples. These examples showcase how the Mean stack supports modern, dynamic, and scalable applications across industries. So if you want to know deeper insight into any of these cases, again you can comment below. So these are that's why the need of full stack developers is increasing, because with the help of Mean stack, with the help of Node, Express, you can create applications like the applications we mentioned. Market trends supporting Mean stack. So there is rise of single page applications, which is SPS, growing, and increasing adoption of JavaScript based technologies is also increasing. The need of cross platform development is also there, and job openings requiring Mean stack skills have been steady as we approach the end of 2024. There are still many companies hiring for full stack developers who know Mean stack. Why you should learn Mean stack? It uses JavaScript throughout the stack. We discussed that. It is open source and widely supported. Its scalability in performance is very good, and the growing ecosystem and community support is there for Mean stack. How does Mean stack compare? So if you compare Mean versus MERN, the only difference is React replacing Angular. So we have specific cases where Mean stack excels. So in single page applications, why Mean? Angular's powerful two-way data binding and dynamic UI capabilities make it ideal for building single page applications, ensuring smooth transitions without reloading pages. Some examples are real-time dashboards, collaborative tools, example Trello, and interactive web apps. It also has JSON heavy APIs, sorry for the numbering there. So if you're for JSON heavy APIs, MongoDB's JSON like document structure and seamless JSON integration across the stack simplify API creation and data handling. E-commerce APIs, financial applications, and mobile-first platforms can be used or can be created with Mean. Some real-time applications like Node.js event-driven architecture enable fast and efficient real-time updates. Chat applications, live sport updates, and real-time bidding systems can also use Mean. The Node.js part of Mean is very much useful. Cloud native applications. So scalability of MongoDB and Node.js align perfectly with the needs of distributed cloud-based systems. Cloud storage solutions, SaaS platforms, and multi-tenant web applications are some examples. Dynamic content heavy websites. So Angular and Node.js handle dynamic data efficiently, ensuring seamless content updates without delays. Some examples are news portals, social media platforms, and online learning portals. IoT, that is Internet of Things, and streaming applications. Why mean? So Node.js can process multiple requests simultaneously, making it perfect for handling large data streams in IoT and multimedia platforms. Some examples will be IoT dashboards, live streaming services, and sensor data processing systems. It also offers cost-effective prototyping. So its unified JavaScript environment reduces development time, making it perfect for startups and MVPs. Some examples are quick to market apps for testing product viability. Each of these cases highlights the stack's flexibility, efficiency, and ability to tackle modern development challenges. Although other stacks like MERN can also do most of these things efficiently, but here we are talking about what MERN can do. So you can see what MERN can do efficiently. Are there any potential drawbacks? So a simple potential drawback is Angular's steep learning curve, and MongoDB may not fill all data needs. Availability of newer tech stacks, examples Svelte, Quick, are also gaining popularities. Addressing these challenges with the best practices will be the ideal choice if you are trying to learn mean stack. Industries hiring mean stack developers are e-commerce industries, edtech industries, fintech, healthcare, etc. are still hiring mean stack developers. And particularly when you will learn mean stack, you will learn Mongo, Express, and Node. So these things will stay relevant. So even if you want to learn something like React later, so then also knowledge of Mongo, Express, and Node will always help you. Will mean stack stay relevant? So continuous updates and improvements in Angular and Node.js will make sure that it stays relevant. Increasing demand for real-time scalable applications are there, which can be created with mean stack. And how mean aligns with 2025's web development trends? So as we saw, JavaScript everywhere. So JavaScript remains the dominant language for both front-end and back-end development in 2025, allowing developers to work across the full stack using a single language. Mean alignment is also there because mean uses JavaScript across all layers: MongoDB, Express.js, Angular, and Node.js, streamlining development and making it easier for developers to transition between front-end and back-end tasks. Obviously, we mentioned this earlier also, single page applications will continue to rise in popularity as users demand faster, more seamless browsing experience with minimum page load. And Angular, which is part of main stack, is designed to build responsive and dynamic single page applications with efficient data handling, real-time updates, and improved UX UI. Then real-time applications are also in trend, where Node.js enables high-speed, event-driven real-time applications that handle numerous simultaneous connections, making it ideal for chat apps, live dashboards, and real-time data visualization. Cloud native and serverless architecture is also in trend. So with more business shifting to the cloud, serverless computing is a gaining traction for its cost-effective scalable nature. The mean stack is highly capable with cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure, and supports serverless architecture throughout service like AWS, Lambda, leveraging Node.js's lightweight nature for efficient cloud integration. API first development is also in trend. So as microservices architecture and third-party integrations become more prevalent, building robust, flexible APIs is crucial for web development. And mean alignment with API first development is Express.js in the mean stack is a minimalist framework that simplifies API development, and MongoDB's NoSQL nature makes it ideal for handling JSON heavy APIs, giving flexibility and scalability to data models. Companies are also focusing on mobile first development. So, with mobile internet usage surpassing desktop, mobile first development and responsive design will continue to be a priority. Angular's flexibility allows developers to create responsive applications that work seamlessly across devices, while the lightweight Node.js backend, remember lightweight Node.js backend, can efficiently handle mobile data requests and real-time interactions. Microservices and modular architecture. So microservices will continue to be a preferred architectural style for building scalable, maintainable applications. Scalability is a factor is a big factor here, and that's why it is very important. So Node.js's modular nature encourages microservices development, and MongoDB's flexibility allows easy integration with other services while maintaining scalability and performance. AI and machine learning integration is also a most important trending thing. So web apps will increasingly integrate AI and ML to enhance user experience, personalization, and automation. While not a direct feature of Mean, but Node.js can interact easily with machine learning models via APIs, making it possible to integrate AI-driven services into Mean stack applications. Data privacy and security is obviously the utmost important thing, and as data privacy concerns grow, web developers will be expected to implement stronger security measures in applications. Node.js and MongoDB offer robust security features, and Angular's architecture includes built-in tools for securing web applications, ensuring data privacy and compliance with regulations like GDPR. And low code, no code development is also increasing. So, low code, no code platforms will become increasingly popular, enabling business to create apps with minimal coding knowledge, but the flexibility and modularity of Mean Stack can be integrated with low code, no code platforms to support rapid application development while maintaining customization and scalability. These trends show that Mean Stack is not just a current powerhouse but is also in the line of future web development demands. It offers the scalability, speed, and flexibility needed for dynamic and fast evolving landscape of 2025 web technologies. How you can learn Mean Stack, like what will be the roadmap? So recommended roadmap will be first learn JavaScript basics. Obviously, you should be familiar with HTML, CSS for creating static websites. Learn some frameworks of CSS like Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS so that you can create, you are very much familiar with creating static fast websites. Then after learning JavaScript basics, proceed with learning Node.js and Express.js. Learn MongoDB. If you have knowledge of any other SQL database, then also learning MongoDB will be fairly easy for you. And then finally you have to learn Angular. So on our channel itself, you will find many resources related to full stack development. So if you will simply search full stack on our channel Color Stack Training by Slide Scope, you will see complete HTML coding, and we also have roadmaps for other type of stacks like MERN roadmap. Then you can learn obviously CSS, Node.js, everything is there, and I will provide most of the links in the description of this video as well. So finally, if you will see, we simply did a trend analysis on Google Trends. It's almost the end of 2024. And here we simply search these terms like mean stack, MERN stack, and Java full stack. These are three very popular is full stack acronyms and technologies. So you can see that from start of December 2019, we can see how mean stack is declining or growing, or how Java full stack has gained some popularity, and how the MERN stack has gained some popularity. So this particular analysis is something that you can also do, although it is a worldwide past 5 years data. In your country, the case may be different, so you can go to Google Trend Analysis and search accordingly. And so the conclusion is mean stack remains a powerful and relevant choice for full stack developers in 2025. Adaptability, scalability, and community support make it future ready. And it is essential for those aiming to build modern dynamic web applications. If you prefer working on web applications and want to tap into the startup ecosystem, you can consider Mean for its flexibility and community support. Or if you prefer Angular, for some people, Angular is very easy to learn and fun to learn. So, with this conclusion, I hope you understood that is Mean is still relevant, and what is the relevance of Mean stack development in 2025. If you have any doubts, please ask your doubts in the comment section below. If you want to learn full stack development, you can contact us via links given in the description. If you want to learn more about full stack development, please subscribe to our channel and refer to your friends as well who are looking for guidance related to career development, and we will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.